Day 103 of my body transformation. Since naka-diet break tayo for 2 weeks, we will take this opportunity to do progressive overload on our leg day. Mas magiging madali to for us since madami tayong energy dahil sa extra calories natin. Sinimulan na din natin to gawin ng push and pull days natin. Nag-increase tayo ng konting weight tapos yung ibang exercises naman, dinagdagan natin ang reps. Progressive overload ang pinakamahalagang principle sa weightlifting. Kahit paulit-ulit lang ang workouts, as long as nagpo-progress tayo ng weight or ng reps, makakakita tayo ng improvement sa strength and body composition natin. Hindi naman kailangan every session may progressive overload. As long as we apply it from time to time, magtutuloy-tuloy pa din ang progress natin. Mas magiging effective din to if paired with proper nutrition. By consuming carbs before workout, we can make sure na may enough energy tayo to progress in our lifts. Tapos after workout naman, kailangan may enough protein din para ma-repair ng maayos ang muscles. Naka-break man tayo sa diet, pero pagdating sa gym, tuloy-tuloy lang ang progress natin. Yan na muna ngayon, bukas ulit.